Hickory dickory dock, a little mouse ran up the clock. Tick tock, he squeaked with cheer. I'm gonna see what's happening here. The clock struck one, then went the chime. Mousy jumped at the sound of time. He flew down fast, his tail went whee, and landed beside a cup of tea. Hey, hickory dickory day, this mouse just wants to play. He spins, he jumps, he taps his feet. The clock becomes his stage so sweet. Hickory dickory dee, he danced with joy and glee. He spun the hands, he pulled a gear. The numbers flew from far to near. The clock went wild, a big kaboom. Time flew fast around the room. Day turned night and stars came bright. The moon popped up to say goodnight. He yawned, a yawn began to sway. The clock slowed down to end the day. A cozy tick, a gentle talk. Our mouse curled up inside the clock. Hickory dickory doze, he snuggled by the clock's red nose. Eyes shut tight, dreams took flight. Good night, dear mouse, good night. Good night.